Partners Clubs is students engaged in learning and celebrating each other's difference while teaching respect and understanding of diversity at our school community. Recently in Partners Club, we had everybody sit in a big circle. We have about 25 students, and we took yarn and we made a humongous spider web. We threw the yarn to each other and asked each other what we were thankful for, which I thought was... Evan, what's your favorite part of being in Partners Club?
My friends.
What do you like to do with?
I like that we get to do fun activities with your partners, and you get to spend time with your partner.
I like Partners Club because it's awesome and you can have lots of fun.